Here we are, guys. Day 3. We're at the festival lot again. Here's the engcon booth.
Yep. That's fine, as long as you show that
Had to walk over here and find Idaho. He's looking for more attachments for his excavator. Yeah. What do you think? What's this one doing?
Lever. I don't see the pin on this one, but we're switching around. That freaking compactor there. That thing's pretty slick. There's a lot of hydraulics.
Let's take Idaho over here and show him the engcon. Let's go look at this. Now you're gonna get picky and you won't run nothing without a tilt rotator on it.
I'm not running crap anymore, man.
There you go. It's doing the same thing you like.
Yeah, oh yeah.
It's putting his tilt on there. I think it'd be nice to have that tilt where if you're clearing or demoing, grab them logs and spin it.
Yeah, that's right.
A lot of money though to have that capability.
Hey man, it's cutting good ledges on the side of the hill.
Oh yeah. Get up close and personal here.
Engcon's plate compactor is especially beneficial during piping. As you can imagine, the safety aspect also
I don't need to run as long as
Now make sure you don't hit nobody in the crowd.
I'm not used to fresh glass.
He's hell on windshields and mirrors. Idaho's putting her through her paces. He's already trying to spend my money.
believe it or not, that what he had on there.
Yeah, you're gonna have to buy one of these cabs.
The other thing is on the back of that, on the back is the
Did you hear what he just said? He said, I'm gonna have to buy one of these. If he works for free, I'll get one. The thing is, I never let him run my Mini. You can make anything look good in sand though.
same with the grabber on the back right there.
Here we are in the Caterpillar. What is this? The Caterpillar what?
High rollers area.
High rollers area. You're the high roller. My rep Chris got us hooked up with this. Drinks, food, whatever you need.
These operators are highly skilled and experienced in heavy equipment operation and the application training that they deliver. I'm also going to be joined by 4 Caterpillar.
Dustin just said I got to go set in one of these Doosan Dozers. He said he's buying one. It's the most comfortable dozer ever.
Ain't quite the right color, but
No, it ain't the right color, but I do like that orange. Oh look, they got the backwards radiator.
yeah, so they've done what the concept's done.
Is this a Doosan or a whatever that says?
That, yeah. Doosan, I don't know what they're doing. After the equipment says Doosan.
Let's take a look at this thing.
Serviceability and availability and shit like that, as far as
It's pretty nice.
deleted out of the computers and stuff like that. So Caterpillar, what we have to do is we have to delete the air intake. Because what will happen is on the fires, we're going to limp mode. We can't have that happen. So we don't
Yeah, I like the cab.
air intake overheated in case you're taking direct flame.
That's funny, when I was over at CAT, the guy, one of the CAT guys recognized my shirt. Said, man, I like your shirt. That's the new D3. I said, yep. I bought one of the first ones out of Ohio CAT. Got to talking to him, and he was the one that designed and engineered it. Pretty cool who you'll run into out here.
It's going to log it. So this is what Caterpillar says.
get a side shot of it here. So the rep here was telling me Hyundai bought Doosan out. They're killing the Doosan name and going with this right here. Devilon, whatever that is. The paint and everything, fit and finish looks nice. I'm not asking what size this is, what horsepower. Oh, here we go. 157 horsepower. That's pretty big then. Look at this thing we found. A Dresta. Is that like a dresser? Or a dress thing? I don't know. Hard to say. Pretty neat slanted slope hood. We'll get Dustin to buy one of those. Look at this bad boy. Dress. Here's what you need right here. Need this one, Dustin.
Big old girl.
Yeah. Get that turn Cody loose on it.
We don't have enough land to justify one of these things.
It'd be unbelievable, wouldn't it? I wonder how many horsepower it is. You gonna get up in this thing? Might be your new favorite. Let's get his honest opinion, guys. Are you running a crane or is that a dozer?
You can definitely see what you're looking at.
It's got a flip down armrest on it.
It'd be easy to operate this thing.
Look at that nose.
You can see everything off the front of this. I'm surprised more dozers haven't went to this sooner.
Well, he ain't lying. You can see everything. Oh, look at that. It's just all glass. We're here at Kobelco at the bull. They're doing a bull riding. Idaho, you gonna do it? With a name like Idaho, you cannot not ride a bull.
With a name like Kevin, you cannot ride a bull.
No.
Kevin is
You're the one that's full of bull, so it makes sense for you to get on the
Well, that wasn't nice. Come on, guys. You want him to ride it?
Kevin is riding the bull.
Dean is full of bull. Yeah, you can't deny that.
We'll tell him that's just like his little scooter. Go ahead and get on it.
Put a couple straps on him. Guys, he's making his way up the line. Look at him. He's coming. Guy with the name Idaho can't resist a bull ride, right? He was drooling at the chops. There you go, guys. Here comes Idaho. Plus, I told him they're giving you out a stuffed bull, so I made him feel guilty. I said, you got to bring that home for sis. She's dying for me to bring her home a stuffed animal. Here he is. I thought bad luck just came on too, social distortion, but it wasn't. Look at this guy. Come on, Idaho! Need some spurs. Oh! Good job.
I'll do it after you.
Dustin's telling me about all these bull rides that he's been on and they can't throw him off, but he won't do it.
I rode 3 and they haven't thrown me off. That was a long time ago. I'm a little heavier than
With
now.
age comes experience. Good job.
That was tough.
What'd you give me there for sis?
No.
Oh, she's
He said
gonna
he's
love
keeping
that.
I know they say you get a second one if you do it.
Oh, I know that.
Well, you know what? She gave me a hug when we left for the airport.
Now you
Remember that?
You take that back to her.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Dustin's claiming they can't throw him off.
No. I'm not claiming that.
Yeah, they'll email it to me.
Times have changed.
Oh, they will.
Strolling through Volvo here, and here's the meet and greet for Tony Beets. That's pretty cool.
Thank you guys. Hey, well, nice meeting you. Got your phone and everything? Yep, man. Yep. Oh, you're not gonna give any, are you? I am.
Now Dustin's running the steel wrist. He's hell-bent on buying a rototilt. He'll get one. You guys missed it. I rode the bowl. Me and Dustin did. Get me a free dinner out of it. Up to $300, he says. What do you think? We just stumbled upon Parker Schnabel.
How's it going? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How's it going? How are you guys doing?
Want to tell him?
That's pretty cool. Parker just took his own cell phone and took a picture of him with those kids to have the picture. It's pretty awesome.
Did you guys get some other
Thank you, Parker. Yes, we did.
Thank you.
Take care.
Let's get back to Florida. Oh, sorry. And then Michelle's gonna get in one.
Yeah, hold that here, Michelle.
Well, guys, that's about it for us at ConExpo. This is day 3. It's about 3 o'clock. We're about finished up. You've already pretty much seen all the stuff that we've seen. The good stuff. We just brought you the good stuff. Pretty cool seeing Tony Beets, Parker, and all those guys. Pretty cool. What do you think, Idaho? ConExpo 2023.
Oh, it was a hit.
It was awesome.
It was a hit, man.
Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Give us one of these.
Be good, guys.
Well, here we are at the CAT, where they do all the challenge, or when they do all the demonstrations today. We're actually out, allowed to walk and see the equipment. Let's go look at that big dozer. Man, this stuff does pack, don't it? Yeah. Who was you talking to a guy, wasn't you, Jamie, that said it?
Dustin was telling me.
Oh,
This packs
man,
like concrete.
it does. Look at that thing.
It's got to be all fluffed up from all the moving.
Right there's a dream machine. That thing's the cat's meow. Oh, look what Idaho found. He's an excavator man. I'm a dozer man. Jump up in there. Don't break your neck. You've already had a couple adult beverages.
Only one. It was just the size of 2.
Oh, that is right, yeah. How's it feel?
I'll see on this cup holders right here.
Perfect. They want you to drink and operate.
Yeah, yeah. Well, you got to stay hydrated.
That's right.
I do some of my best operating inebriated.
Your best tricks.
Split up the antenna from the receiver. So the antenna is the cheap part that's up top.
Right.
The receiver, the expensive
Man, look
part,
at
is
this.
behind
Look at
the
this
seat.
thing.
Oh, okay. So that's all weather protected.
Dream machine right here.
Walk away.
God, look at this. Can you imagine what the dirt this would roll? Said it's a monster. Woo.
No masks. You don't need the mask. Don't need the mask. This pad right here is used to put your water bottle on. That's what it's for now. Coffee in the morning. Yep, coffee in the morning, water in the afternoon, whiskey at night.
The D3, what I got, looks like a baby compared to that. You guys seen plenty of that machine. You don't have to look at that. Let's check out the 317. You've seen this one too on the last video where we were house demoing. This one's actually got the tilt rotator on it. You know, I never even set into one of Dustin's when I just ran that 315. Oh man, this is nice. Here's the tilt rotator.
I don't know.
Did you pull the trigger yet, Dustin, buy this thing?
Thank you, sir.
You will. Okay guys, we're back at the hotel room, and I told Idaho he's got to try out this beer. I always see it on all the racers and stuff like that. It's from California. Let's see what he thinks. He's the beer connoisseur. They had another one that was brewed with lime.
And everybody knows that when Kevin puts me up to something or has it in his mind that I have to do it, and I'm going to do it.
Just like riding a bull.
Yeah, you guys see that in the video. It might be today's or tomorrow's or...
Go ahead and take a drink of that, see what you think.
That was a terrible pour. It looks like apple juice.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
There you have it, guys. 805. He's going for some more.
Yeah,
Pretty good.
All beer's good. Some's just better than others. That's pretty good beer. That's really like you drink a beer and then you switch over and it's totally different and you hate it. But from Miller Lite to this, when you start with a lighter one and go to a heavier one, it's not as bad. It's very good.
There you go.
I'll give it a thumbs up.